welcome back. Ano po ba? Kamusta po?
Yeah, June 18 we have a medical check-up para makakomplete kami doon sa renewal ng GAP license and then result we found out na something wrong with my ECG. After a week nakita namin yung result. Okay, and then immediately pinakita ko sa mga cardiologists, Dr. Tony Liachon and Romel Galvez. Dr. Tony Liachon is my neighbor, and then he said sa akin, you have to undergo a stress test. Kasi stress test, makikita ko anong klaseng puso meron ka. Yung puso ko pala mapagmahal yan. Hindi, I mean, nakita yung in-scan, ganito, there's something wrong. To confirm everything, so kailangan undergo ako ng angiogram, and then na-confirm yun na my arteries is blocked. And then what happened? I keep on playing, and the last 3 weeks before that examination, I'm doing well, ganyan. But I'm so lucky because the doctor told me na you're a walking bomb. Buti hindi ako nag-collapse, ganyan. So, my friend, Dr. Tony Liachon, he has a team dito sa Manila Doctors. Narate niya lahat, ganyan. And then, all of a sudden, okay, nagkaroon ako ng angioplasty. That was July 7. Imagine, July 5, July 3 and 4, nag-practice ako with San Miguel. And then 4, after ng practice namin, diretso na ako sa hospital. So naka-prepare na lahat yung gagawin sa akin, ganyan, because there's something wrong. And I'm confident na it's okay lang, okay. Pero upon revealing nung angiogram, we need to do something, which is angioplasty. So it happened Tuesday, July 7, and then July 9, na-release na ako, binigyan na ako ng medical certificate, go to work. But the problem is, the side effect of medicine, nagkaroon ng revolution sa tiyan ko. Until now, bloated yung tiyan ko, very uncomfortable, nagalaw. And the worst thing is, nangyayari yung bloating in the evening, 11 until the morning. So, andun yung feeling na alam mong kulang ka sa tulog, alam mong puyat ka, pero hindi ka inaantok. And then alam mong gutom ka, pero hindi mo nararamdaman na nakulang yung tiyan mo because of bloating, ganyan. And then nakita ko sa isang gastroenteritis, ganyan. And then okay naman, it's side effect of the gamot yan. I'm just taking my time to eliminate that. It will take 3 to 4 weeks. And then actually, in first game, I thought ako magpo-coach na But routine na lang, ando si Boss Robert. No, you have to take a rest. Dahil nakarelate siya dahil he experienced that also So, hindi ganyan kahirap, which is right, pasalamat ako sa kanya. And then kina Coach Al, ganyan, binigyan ng time to rest, ganyan. Kaya I'm so grateful with them. And ayun, it's a matter of a few games before go back to coaching.
Pero as of now, fit to work ka ba o hindi pa? Kailangan mo pang
Yeah, except yung kulang sa tulog, ganyan. I cannot focus on my game plan or practice plan because I'm after sa effect Pero once na na-eliminate ko na yon, I think I'll be back regarding sa my heart ayun, wala nang problema It's a maintenance na lang. Yun ang
Pero nung advice ng doktor sa'yo, kailangan okay lang mag-coach ka pa rin.
Yeah, right. Kaya nga binigyan ako ng medical certificate right after they release me from the hospital. Coach, you can start walking slowly, gradually until you get to another playing time sa mga pick-up game, ganyan. Pero for the meantime, so I have to be focused on so walking, and then yung sleeping ko, yun ang yung problema it could affect dahil sabi ko nga, worst thing every 11 in the evening, doon pumapasok yung nakakagulat hindi ka makagalaw Ganyan eh. Bawat galaw mo, ano eh. 1 o'clock in the morning, tatayo ako, mag-walking ako para mag-circulate. Ganyan.
Hindi ka ba, medyo serious yung condition na yun, coach? Eh? Hindi ka ba, medyo yung future mo ba sa coach, hindi ba delikado dahil sa sitwasyon na yan?
According to the doctor, parang, yan o, parang ano ka eh, na-tune up ka eh. Kung sa kotse, ganyan. And then, said, oh, you can go back to work. Ganyan. Okay. Siyempre, of course, mas mahirap yung bypass. It will take a lot of time. Okay, ganyan. Pero, ayun, kaya I'm confident na I can go back. Just a matter of time, kailangan ko makabalik 100%. Ayun.